time. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 11 a.m. Gainesville, it was cloudy. 46 degrees, dew point 34, relative humidity 62%. Wind northwest at 9 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.95 inches and rising. Elsewhere around the region, Athens, it was fair, 54 degrees, wind northwest at 8 miles an hour. Atlanta, it was fair, 51 degrees, wind northwest at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 29 miles an hour. At Lawrenceville, it was fair.
Okay, that failed.
Warning system. This test is conducted in the proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System at Cleveland, WXJ53. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Cleveland listening area: Banks, Darrow, Cherokee, Clark, Dawson, Forsyth, Franklin, Gwinnett, Habersham, Hall, Hart, Jackson, Lumpkin, Madison, Oconee, Pickens, Stevens, Walton, and White. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
So yeah, this failed, this one failed, and the 120 easy failed. So let me turn. I've got to turn the alarm on. So yeah, that failed. So actually, the 249 failed as well. So yeah.